Class, let's take a look at SoundCloud. Watch this. This is one of my favorite audio recording tools you can find online for free. So if we just type in SoundCloud, all of a sudden you come up with a site that looks a lot like this. And as you can see, I am already logged in, right? If I sign out, you can go and it's down here at the bottom, but you got my stream here. There's a whole bunch of stuff. If I look at the collection, these are just sounds that I like listening to, music, whatever. But if I go back to home, you can see the streams that I have made most recently, right? Let's make a new one right now just so you can see how to do this. We just click upload, and you can choose a file of your own. Like if you've recorded one on your computer or have some audio file, you can upload it, and then it's on SoundCloud, and your podcast or your audio recording is indeed live. Now SoundCloud is both music, audio, or any kind of audio, right? So it's music and podcasts, whereas other sites are just podcasts, and we're going to talk about those next. But getting the audio is most important at this point. So for me, I'm going to use this Start New Recording. Now you can use the computer version where it's, Chromebook, any web-based machine that's actually online. You can use this tool to get it. There's also an excellent mobile app, and once again, both of them have their own recording tools. They're free, and it's just a single click of a button. So if I click on this Start New Recording, you're going to have to set the flash settings the proper way, and once you do, you get this. So I'm just going to click Record. I don't want to upload a file. I want to make a new one. So we click this. We're going to say Remember, and we're going to say Allow, and then I click Record one more time. Class, I'm now recording a podcast audio file as I'm simultaneously recording the screencast of how to use SoundCloud and why I like it. As you can see, it's pretty simple, right? I just click one button and the screen is showing me the sound profile as I go and just chat on with you. Well, what I'm going to do next is pause or stop it, so we'll end it here, and I'll hit the play button so you can hear it back, right? I'm going to stop talking. Class, I'm now recording a podcast audio file as I'm simultaneously recording the screencast of how to use SoundCloud and why I like it. So as you can see, I have made a file here which is on SoundCloud servers, but I want to upload it so it is, or it's locally, but I want to upload it to the server so we can publish it, right? And this is something I did a minute ago. This is, we'll call this another test. SoundCloud recording facility. Okay, and that's what we've got for a test. You can put an image in here. I can do whatever I want. It's just a simple recording. We're going to make it public. And if I want it also, I can tweet it, right? There's a whole bunch of other things that I can connect here. See, this note will be shared on SoundCloud and other networks. So if I click this and I click on this, these are ones that I've got registered, right? So we're going to click save, and all of a sudden you'll see that we have the file that comes up, and here it is, another test of SoundCloud. And if I go and click on this button, you'll be able to hear it play. Class, I'm now recording a podcast audio file as I'm simultaneously recording the screencast of how to use SoundCloud and why I like it. Another cool thing is that this URL up here is a URL that you can share it with people so they can get directly to your podcast or your audio file. So if I hit paste, it comes back immediately with the file. It's got the image. I can play it. Also, if I log out, okay, now we're gone. We'll get rid of this. We're out. You can see SoundCloud's got their cool mobile app. I have to sign in or sign out. If I paste that in again as an outside user, I can still get to my file, so you don't have to be a member. Class, I'm now recording. So you can see that it works pretty easy, right? We've got a file on the web, and technically we've made ourselves a podcast. SoundCloud, although, is not focused exclusively on audio for podcasting purposes. It'll certainly record that, but it's much larger in scope. So next we're going to talk about using this audio file that we've created in places that are only focused on podcasts. I suggest you use both SoundCloud's facility for broadcasting and spreading your message, but there's others as well. So thanks, everybody.